And what we are doing is a double rib stitch. It's knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, all the way around. But first, you go ahead and change your collar out, which I did. I changed it out just the same way as I've been doing through the whole project. And I'm only doing the cuff part with the gray. This one I did it with the pink. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and flat stitch one row around so that there is just a seamless transition from one color to the next. I did one row of gray and it's just the flat stitch. It is nothing different. Now we do our knit 2, purl 2. If this is something you will have trouble remembering, you can mark your pegs. But the knit 2, we have flat stitch, that's the stitch we're using for our knit stitch. And the purl 2, okay, for purl, you take the hook down through the top and pull the stitch up through the bottom. Take that old loop off, put the new one on. There are better video tutorials on how to do the purl stitch if you do need more help. Oops. So there's my purl 2. And the purl stitches are these inset ones. Those are your purl stitches. We got a knit 2. And then you do a purl 2. Oh, wrong way. So you got, I'm doing knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. These two will be purl, knit, all the way around. And you are going to be doing 19 rows because counting your first row here, it will add up to 20 rows altogether. So go ahead and do your 20 rows and then it's time for the cast off.